Dear students, let us continue the chapter Squares and Square Roots. Now let us continue the exercise 3, the 7th question. The students of class 8th of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Here the total amount given by the class is rupees 2401 and amount given by each student equals number of students in the class. So you take, let amount given by amount donated by each student equals let's take rupees A. So take rupees A. Now then number of students in the class also equals to A. Then number of students in the class equals, that is also A. Now the total amount donated by the students. Total amount donated by the class equals how much? That is rupees 2401. So you know that this 2401 is equals to the product of A and A, means amount donated by each student into number of students. Therefore you take amount by each student into number of students equals what? 2401 rupees. You take that equals what? Rupees 2401. Rupees 2401. That is A into A equals 2401. Know that A square equals 2401. A square equals 2401. Then A equals, you take the square root on both the sides. Whole root of A square equals square root of 2401. Square root of A square is A equals square root of 2401. Now you find the square root of 2401. Take that square root of 2401 equals, find the factors of this 2401. That is 2401 is not divisible by 2, and the sum of the digit is 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7. That is also not divisible by 3, and also it is not divisible by 5. Then you try it by 7. So the 2401, the last digit is 1. 1 into 2, 2, and 240 minus 2, you will get 238. Then 8, 2 into 8 equals 16. Then 23 minus 16, you got 7. 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore you can divide 2401 by 7, which is completely divisible by 7. So you write 2400 divided by 7, and 7 3s are 21, 3 is remaining, that is 30. Then it is 7 4s are 28, 2 is remaining, 21, 7 3s are. Again, you know that 343 is divisible by 7, 7 4s are 28, 6 is remaining, 6 3 63, 7 9s are. Again it is divisible by 7, 7 7s are, then 7 1s are. So you take square root of 2401, that is A equals square root of 2401 equals square root of the factors. You write it first. 2401 as usual method, due to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 2401 equals 7 into 7. You make the group of 2 to 7 into 7 whole square. Then square root of 2401 equals 7 into 7 equals 49. So A equals square root of 2401 equals 49. Here what we have to find out? Find the number of students in the class. Therefore the number of students in the class equals, therefore number of students in the class equals 49. Number of students in the class is 49 and each student donated 49 rupees. Total amount is 2401 rupees. Now let us take the second question. That is the question number 8. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Here totally how many plants are to be planted in a garden? 2025. And the plants are to be planted in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. It is just like the question number 7. Now you take the number of rows equals A or P, whatever it may be. And if you take number of rows equals A, then the number of plants in each row is also equals to A only. So you take let, that is the solution, let number of rows equals A, then number of plants in each row is also equals to what? A. Then totally how many plants are to be planted? Totally 2025. So you take, that is total number of plants are to be planted. Plants are to be planted equals how much? 2025. Now you know that number of rows into number of plants in each row is equals to 2025. That is, you take, therefore number of row into number of plants in each row equals total number of plants, that is 2025. You got A into A equals what? 2025. then you will get a square equals 2025. Then you take this root, a square equals square root of 2025. Then a equals square root of 2025. Then you find the square root of 2025 by the method of prime factorization. Now you take that number 2025. Then you factorize it. You know that it is not divisible by 2. Then you try it by 3. The sum of the digits is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 2025 is also divisible by 3. So you divide it by 3. 3 6 are 18. 2 is remaining 22. 3 7s are 21. 1 5. 3 5s are 25. Next again you try to divide it by 3. 6 plus 7 plus 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. That is divisible by 3. So you divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are. Then again it is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digit is 2 plus 2 plus 5 9. So you take 3 7s are 21. 1 is remaining 1 5. 3 5s are. Then 3 2s are 6. 1 5. 3 5s are. And also 5 5s are. 5 1s are. Therefore you write 2025 equals 4 times 3s are there. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then 2025 equals what? Make a pair of 2 equal numbers. So 3 into 3 into 5 you will get whole square. So 2025 equals 3 into 3 into 5 whole square. Then square root of 2025 equals 3 into 3 into 5 equals 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So I got square root of 2025 equals 45. So that is A equals square root of 2025 equals 45 you got. The question is find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Therefore you write number of rows equals 45. Number of plants in each row, that is also 45. Now the question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. Here we have to find the smallest square number divisible by all these 4, 9 and 10. First let us find the least common multiple of this 4, 9 and 10. Find the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Now after that, by multiplying that number by the smallest whole number, we will get the product as a square number which is divisible by this 4, 9 and 10. Now you find the LCM of these 4, 9 and 10. Find the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Then you know the method of finding the LCM. Take this 4, 9 and 10. Then the first prime number is 2. Divide all the number by 2 if they are divisible. You know that 2 2s are 4. 9 is not divisible. Write it as it is. 2 5s are. The next one is here 2. 2 1s are. 9 as it is. 5 is also as it is. Next prime number is 3. 3. 1 you write as it is. 3 3s are. Then 5 you write as it is. Then again 3 is there, divide it by 3, 1 you write as it is, 3 ones are 5 you write as it is. Then 5, 1, 1, 5 ones are. Now the LCM equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So here you got the product is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. You got the 180 is the smallest multiple of 4, 9 and 10. 180 is divisible by 4, also it is divisible by 9, also it is divisible by 10. So this is the least common multiple of 4, 9 and 10. Now to convert this as a square number, here you know that 180 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So here 2's are in pairs, 3's are also in pairs, but 5 is single. Means we have to multiply this by 5. So you multiply 180 into 5 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then 18 5s are 90, 900 you will get if they make the group 2 into 3 into 5 whole square, that equals 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 square. So you got the 900 is the, according to question, 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Therefore you write the answer 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by each of 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. 900 is the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9, 10. Got the answer. Next, let us take one more now question, that is the 10th question. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Here also first let us find the LCM of 8, 15 and 20. So you take LCM of 8, 15 and 20. As usual method, find the LCM. Take these numbers 8, 15 and 20. Now you divide it by 2 first. 2 4s are 15 as it is you keep. Then 2 10s are. Again you divide it by 2. 2 2s are 15 as it is. 2 5s are. Next you divide 2 1s are 15 and 5 as it is. Next you divide it by the next prime number 3. 3 1 as it is. 3 5s are 5 as it is. Next you divide by 5. 1s are 1s are 1s are. Therefore LCM equals, you got what is the LCM? LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5. What is the product here? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 1. So you got the LCM 120. Now you write 120 equals what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now you try to make the pairs here. Here this is one pair is there, but 2 is single, 3 is single, 5 is single. So you must multiply the numbers by 2 into 3 into 5 to make the pair here. So you take 120 into 2 into 3 into 5 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So here we multiplied both the sides by 2 into 3 into 5, because here 2 is single, 3 is also single, 5 is also single. Therefore we multiplied here 2, 3 and 5. Now the product becomes, that is 120 into 2 is 240, 240 into 3 is 720, 720 into 5 is, you got 3600. So what you got? 3600 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Here you got 3600 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 whole square. So 3000 equals, you can write here 3600 equals, that equals 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60, 60 square. Therefore 3600 is the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Write the answer. 3600 is the smallest square number, smallest square number that is divisible by, that is divisible by each of 8, 15 and 20. 8, 15 and 20. The exercise 3 is completed.